another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that I've been making for years. I got this recipe off of a cookbook from my mother-in-law, but I don't remember what cookbook it is and I don't know where it is, and I just been making it for so long that I just do it and I just make it. Anyways, and I don't know what it's called, but let's just say this is a mashed potato casserole. And if you guys want to make something new for the holidays, I highly suggest this because this is everyone's favorite. And here are the ingredients. You're gonna need some salt, some cheese, some French onions, a box of mashed potatoes, sour cream, butter, and milk. So let's get started. Okay, so I will say, you guys, I eyeball everything, so I really don't follow the directions on the box. But if, depending on how many people you're cooking for, you can follow the box directions and go by there. But for me, I'm just eyeballing everything. But like I said, for you guys, depending on what servings you guys want, I'm just showing you guys the basics, and then you guys can go from there. So I'm just gonna boil my water. I have I don't even know what size quart this pot is, but I have it not even half of the pot. So I'm just gonna wait till this boils and just do like the direction for the box mashed potatoes. I'm gonna let this water boil. I'm gonna add my milk, my eggs, my milk and my butter. And then once it boils up, we'll add the potato flakes. And I'll show you guys all that once my water starts boiling. So here my water is hot but not boiling, and I'm just gonna add 1.5 cups of milk. I'm going to add my butter, which is 5 tablespoons. And let's see. On the box, since I'm not following the box, but it looks like I'm gonna be doing like 16 cups. So I'll just add 1 tablespoon of salt. That's what the box says. Again, like I said, I don't measure, but I'll just try to do my best for you guys, because you guys do want to flavor up your mashed potatoes, okay? So I'll just stir this around until the butter melts. My butter is melting, and just so you know where your salt intake is, I'm just gonna taste this a little bit to know where I'm at. I know it sounds nasty, hot milk. But yep, 1 tablespoon is good. And again, you guys, the reason why I really don't measure is because everybody has a consistency that they like. Some like their potatoes to be a little firm. Some like theirs to be a little bit loose. I like mine's kind of firm and loose, kind of in the middle. So my water is good. I'm just gonna dunk in my box slowly, a little bit at a time. Then you want to stir it. And of course I need some more. And I was gonna make bigger than a 9 by 13, but I just decided I'm just gonna make a 9 by 13. Sometimes I make too much and then we can't finish it, but my daughter absolutely loves this. See, it's starting to get thick. So I'm gonna turn my fire off, my flame off. You wanna stir it because it'll get thicker. And I'm gonna also add sour cream in here. So you have to remember, when you add the sour cream in here, it's gonna get more moisture and wet. So it looks like I need more mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna add more. Again, like I said, to the consistency that you like. Just gonna keep stirring. Because you want to make sure all the potato flakes are all, I guess, melted down. And if you let your mashed potatoes sit for a little bit, it'll get a little firm. Mashed potatoes is a workout. Okay, you guys see how it's a little bit runny? A little bit, but it's still firm. That's how I like my mashed potatoes. Okay, so what you guys are going to do now is add your sour cream. So I have a spoon. That's 1, 2, 3 spoonfuls of sour cream. Then you want to stir it around, make sure it's mixed in well. And it's the consistency where I like it. It's a little bit runny, like I said, but it's firm. Let me get a different spoon. So here is where we're going to layer up. You don't have to spray it or anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it in my pan. I'll put a layer in the bottom. Don't put it too thin, okay? You want to make sure you have a nice layer. There. And then what we're going to do is add the French onion on how much you like. Then I'm going to take my cheese. You can use any type of cheese you like. I just happen to have this it's Kobe Jack. Then you just want to put your cheese. It's kind of like layering up, you know, a lasagna. I'm always asked to make this every holiday. My daughter absolutely loves it. Okay. And then we're going to layer again with the mashed potatoes. And you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. Make sure it's all even. put some more French onion. Spread it all out. We're going to add some more cheese. We like ours cheesy. Okay, spread it evenly. And you don't want to cover this, okay? We're going to bake this at 350 degrees until the cheese melts, because you don't have to cook it for that long. And I'll show you guys when it comes out the oven. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. The cheese has melted, the French onions are crispy, and I'll show you guys how it is when I plate it up. Product, I made some ham, some cornbread dressing, and my mashed potato casserole. So when you get done baking this, don't serve it right away. Let the mashed potato settle for a little bit and it'll get firm. Okay, so here's the bite. That is so good. So good. If you guys like my videos, go give me a like, share, and thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.